Cold 2-door commercial reach-in stainless steel refrigerator. Peak Cold finds its way onto our list with a pretty standard commercial refrigerator that earns bonus points for its adjustable shelves, helpful error codes, and no stoop lower shelf. Its stainless steel exterior looks classic and sharp in any commercial space. The electronic control system allows you to easily adjust temperature and manage defrost frequency. One nice addition is the self-evaporating water tray that doesn't require emptying. Anything that saves time and mess in a busy kitchen is a welcome feature. Peak Cold has bright interior LED lighting, so you can keep track of all your contents. The capacity is 47 cubic feet, and the interior includes 6 wire shelves. Lastly, we're always excited about a reasonable price and a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Now for some pros. 1. 47 cubic feet of interior space. 2. Stainless steel. 3. A defrost timer. And 4. Digital controller. Now for a con. This model is not ENERGY STAR certified.